Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network, a valuable infrastructure. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including XDC Network. Anyways, let's see what's happening with XDC in real time, what the official handles are saying, and what the community is saying. Let's find out. So look at this, a really interesting post from XDC Foundation over here, February 11th, 2025. Infrastructure moves in silence, but the value doesn't, basically. So as we all know, XDC Network has constantly been building in silence. It has been building all the utility projects. The memes, they make noise. There is a hype to it, the community hype, as you've seen. But obviously, the infrastructure of these utility projects are being built in silence. But the value will make noise, according to this post. Ultimately, the value that it has, the market that it is disrupting, we're talking about trillions of dollars, folks. So let's hope that XDC ultimately indeed becomes a valuable infrastructure, folks. Anyways, people have commented over here as well. True, the best foundations are built quietly, but their impact is impossible to ignore. Okay. Can't wait. Sometimes it does, but eventually people catch on. The everything coin, Sean of the XDC Network. Okay, this is Living the Dream, a really interesting post over here as well. I wanted to share this with you folks. XDC, XRP, and XLM are set to dominate tokenized securities. Securrency, one of the most powerful RegTech and FinTech providers, is leveraging XRP, XLM, and Ethereum for compliant global tokenized securities trading. But look at this. But here's the bigger picture. XDC is built for this. XDC is indeed built for a lot of different use cases, folks. R3 CODA plus DTCC plus ISO 20022 equals trillions flowing into blockchain. So this is the value that we're talking about. This is the infrastructure that is being built in silence, folks. XDC is the only settlement token on R3 CODA trusted by global banks. DTCC, it handles $2.3 quadrillion annually. We're not talking about trillions, folks. Now we're talking about quadrillions. Is actively testing tokenized securities. ISO 20022 coins, XDC, XRP, XLM are becoming the backbone of financial settlements. All three of them, despite the differences within the community, we recently saw the XLM maxis and XRP maxis really go at it. Despite the differences, I think that these are the projects that are bringing credibility to the space and legitimacy to the space. So we should be respecting any project, any business, any coin that is trying to bring some maturity to this space, folks. On-chain and off-chain interoperability is the key to replacing outdated financial systems. The XDC community is in prime position. Institutional money is coming, and we are holding the golden ticket, folks. So really, a really interesting post from Living the Dream, and it takes time, folks. These things take time. It is not merely a meme coin where you basically make that coin and then you shill it, make communities, you shill it in Telegram, you shill it on Discord and other social media accounts, and then slowly and gradually people catch up. You advertise it, market it constantly. I mean, we're talking about partnerships, we're talking about creating an infrastructure, creating that foundation that can be time tested, and that can last the course of history. Basically, it can last for decades, for years and decades to come, folks. And for that, it takes time, and building in silence is the only way to go. Yeah, you get marketing. The marketing is done by the community that they are posting about it. This is the marketing, but overall, it can't be marketed like a meme to shill it and then pump it, dump it. I mean, that is not the way to go with utility projects, folks. Okay, what else do we have? Future XRP. If you've ever wondered why Coinbase hasn't listed XDC and the XDC network, just look at what ChatGPT says about what XDC could do to Ethereum. Pics below, final pick of the winner in the reply. Okay, let's see what this is. Which crypto will be the biggest winner in the RWA tokenization? Okay, Boston Consulting Group. The real-world asset tokenization market is expected to grow $16 trillion by 2030, according to Boston Consulting Group. Okay, several blockchains are competing for dominance, but the biggest winner will be the one that gains institutional adoption, regulatory approval, and scalability for high-value transactions. And guess what? XDC Network and the company are doing the likes, XLM and others. Here's a breakdown of the leading contenders. Look at this, folks. First name is XDC over here. XDC Network. Primary use case in RWA tokenization, trade finance, bond tokenization, institutional assets. What are the key strengths? First, let's see what Ethereum and XRP as well. Ethereum, real estate, stocks, RWAs on DeFi, XRP, institutional payments, CBDC, and banking assets, basically. What are the key strengths of XDC Network, folks? Hybrid blockchain, public and private. Integrated with R3 Corda, enterprise grade, low fees, high speed, largest developer ecosystem, most established DeFi and tokenization projects. By the way, this is Ethereum, not XDC. As far as Ripple is concerned, it has got strong partnerships with central banks and institutions. It has fast cross-border settlement mechanisms. So this is great, folks. Okay, the challenges of XDC Network: less retail hype compared to Ethereum. Yeah, this is true. XDC is focusing on enterprises, institutions, financial giants, financial organizations, but obviously it will get less retail hype and less marketing like a meme or like a project that is much more focused on the retail side of things. Ethereum's challenge, folks: high gas fees and scalability issues, as we've mentioned time and again, as it is mentioned time and again. And as far as Ripple is concerned, regulatory uncertainty in the US, which is changing now, by the way. We covered an SHX video as well. We covered DAG video as well. You guys can check that out as well. Constellation DAG, Algorand. So a lot of different projects are now gaining that trust from the authorities, and let's hope that Ripple's legal lawsuit goes down the drain soon, basically, because it's been a while since Ripple is stuck in that affair. Look at this. Who will be the biggest winner according to this post? XDC, best for trade finance and institutional tokenization. XDC is positioned as the leader in tokenizing trade finance and institutional bonds. Direct integration with R3 Corda, which is used by banks and financial institutions. Low fees plus fast transactions make it perfect for large-scale financial settlements. Best suited for enterprise adoption and tokenization of trillions in trade finance. Potential market capture. Now this one is interesting, folks. If XDC handles a significant portion of the 10 trillion plus trade finance market, it could see massive growth. We're talking about 10 trillion plus dollars of disruption, folks. And even in a post which we saw even quadrillions, we're talking about quadrillions roaming around, floating around in the global economy, folks. Ethereum over here, look at this. Biggest DeFi ecosystem, but scalability issues. I'm surprised that number second is not Ripple over here. Anyways, the second is Ethereum, biggest DeFi ecosystem, but scalability issues. Most tokenization projects, real estate, stocks, RWAs are built on Ethereum. Big institutions like BlackRock and JP Morgan are testing RWA tokenization on Ethereum. But high gas fees makes it less ideal for large-scale frequent transactions. Potential market capture. Ethereum will dominate RWA tokenization in DeFi, but institutions may prefer private hybrid chains like XDC or Avalanche. So this is what I was talking about, and I wanted to show you folks that look at this. Even though they talked about Ethereum, ultimately they said the post is saying that the institutions may prefer private hybrid chains like XDC. So this is the value, this is the infrastructure that we're talking about. Look at this. XRP, okay, the third is XRP, already working with central banks and financial institutions, cross-border settlement leader with low fees, regulatory concerns, SEC case in US, slow down adoption, potential market capture. XRP could dominate institutional banking, but it is not the go-to choice for tokenizing trade finance or RWAs. The proponents of XRP say that it will eventually capture a significant proportion in RWAs as well, but to each their own. Over here, the number one is XDC for trade finance and RWAs. Anyways, the final verdict over here, XDC versus Ethereum versus XRP. Category best asset, trade finance tokenization, XDC. DeFi-based RWA tokenization, Ethereum, institutional banking and CBDCs, XRP, and then we've got the fastest and cheapest transactions, XDC, folks. So yeah, this is what we're talking about. These are the stakes. Anyways, let's see what is happening with the community as well while we're at it. Institutional adoption, enterprise DLT. We're concerned with XDC, which is the infrastructure for digital trade over here, guys. So valuable infrastructure is indeed being built for XDC. Look at this. Lloyds, R3, SBI, TradeTO. Awesome. Institutional adoption. This is great. XDC is powering global trade, leading DeFi innovation, and transforming blockchain utility. A top-tier exchange like Binance needs a top-tier blockchain like XDC. These exchanges are much more focused on memes and the hypes and the ones that are bringing insane level of volume in short term, in the short period, and then the community, through the community shilling, constant shilling, they are then listed in these exchanges. But obviously these good projects that are trying to achieve something of value, a real world use case, real world application, real world utility, I think that they are built, like I said, they are floating under the radar and they are building in silence, folks. So this is why they're taking time. The everything coin. When all is clear, there will only be utility coins, folks. We cover most of them, folks. We cover most of them. We've covered most of them. We've covered all of them in this list. Yeah, not even most of them. And we constantly cover projects like Constellation DAG. You guys can check that out as well. Videos on Constellation, a really great project. Oh, you already know about Stellar, HBAR, and others. Quant, check out ALGO as well. Casper Network, guys, we cover Casper. To check out Casper as well. Interesting, folks. Anyways, let's see what XDC has to say over here. Okay, XDC Xinfin Delegated Proof of Stake, XDPOS, Layer 1, Hybrid BFT, a hybrid blockchain that enables hybrid relay bridges, spontaneous block finality, and interoperability to create more secure transactions and enable transparency between parties for interoperable cross-border trade. So, what do you guys think about, aside from cross-border trade, folks? It is highly focused on global trade finance and tokenization and all of that stuff. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about XDC Network and a valuable infrastructure that is being made? Do you believe in it? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.